Karibu sana. Welcome to Modern Agriculture's YouTube channel. Today, we have an in-depth and comprehensive video on pig farming business plan in Kenya. If you're considering starting a pig farm or already a pig farmer seeking to optimize your operations, this video is for you. Let's dive into the detailed business plan. Pig farming is a lucrative venture in Kenya, with a growing demand for pork products. In this business plan, we'll explore the financial aspects and potential profits of starting a pig farm with 20 pigs. Procuring piglets and feed costs. To kickstart our pig farming venture, we'll need to purchase 20 piglets. Let's assume the cost of each piglet is Kenyan shilling 3,000, totaling Kenyan shilling 60,000. As they grow, these piglets will require specific feed types. Piglets need a pre-starter feed, costing Kenyan shilling 2,000 per bag, which averages 2 kilograms per piglet. Afterward, they'll consume grower feed, costing Kenyan shilling 2,500 per bag, averaging 20 kilograms per pig. Growth and feed consumption. Piglets typically gain weight rapidly. Within 6 months, they can reach around 80 kilograms. In this period, they'll consume a total of 40 kilograms of pre-starter feed and 400 kilograms of grower feed. Shed construction and equipment costs. For housing our 20 pigs, we'll need a well-constructed pig shed, costing Kenyan shilling 100,000. Additionally, we'll invest in water troughs and feeders, totaling Kenyan shilling 30,000. Vaccination and health expenses. Ensuring the health of our pigs is crucial for a successful pig farming business. Budgeting for vaccination and health expenses, including deworming and treatments, we allocate Kenyan shilling 15,000. Labor and miscellaneous expenses. To manage our pig farm efficiently, we'll hire 2 skilled laborers, each earning Kenyan shilling 10,000 per month. Total labor expenses amount to Kenyan shilling 240,000 for a year. Additionally, we'll account for electricity and other miscellaneous expenses at Kenyan shilling 30,000. Estimated income and expenses for the first year. Now, let's sum up the expenses for the first year of our pig farming business. Procuring piglets and feed costs, Kenyan shilling 63,000. Growth and feed consumption, Kenyan shilling 45,000. Shed construction and equipment costs, Kenyan shilling 130,000. Vaccination and health expenses, Kenyan shilling 15,000. Labor and miscellaneous expenses, Kenyan shilling 270,000. Total expenses for the first year, Kenyan shilling 523,000. Pig reproduction and piglet production. One of the advantages of pig farming is the rapid reproduction rate. A healthy sow can produce around 8 to 12 piglets in each litter, twice a year. With our initial 20 pigs, we can expect around 180 piglets in a year. Pig growth and weight gain. As our piglets grow, they'll gain weight rapidly. By the end of the year, each piglet can weigh approximately 80 to 90 kilograms. Thus, we can project a total pork yield weight gain of around 12,960 kilograms in the first year. Projected income from pork sales. The average market price for pork in Kenya is Kenyan shilling 400 per kilogram. With a total weight gain of 12,960 kilograms, we can expect a total income of Kenyan shilling 5,184,000 from pork sales in the first year. Calculating net profit and return on investment, ROI. Now, let's calculate the net profit from our pig farming business for the first year. Subtracting the total expenses of Kenyan shilling 523,000 from the income of Kenyan shilling 5,184,000, we have a net profit of Kenyan shilling 4,661,000 for the first year. The return on investment, ROI, for our pig farming business is an impressive 890%, showcasing its profitability. With meticulous planning and efficient management, pig farming can be a highly rewarding business in Kenya. Remember, proper care, nutrition, and sanitation are essential for the health and growth of your pigs. If you found this video informative and insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow farmers and pig enthusiasts. For more valuable content on modern agriculture and livestock farming practices, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy pig farming. May your pig farm thrive with prosperity, and may your dedication to sustainable agriculture inspire others. Happy farming!